Welcome to Reneke Estate. Today, finally, almost finished the fence. Well, it looks bloody nice. You must check the end. It's like all lined up with the old fence from the front and what. But hey, what can we say? Alright, so just quickly, you guys can see us. We had a small indentation in the cement. It's because, well, when we mixed this cement last time, it was a little bit watery. So I'll put a link there up front, show you guys exactly what we mean. And then, yeah, it's basically just me fixing it. Camera's doing like a weird vibration thing. I think it was busy overheating. Yeah, budget stuff, what can we say? Anyways, let's enjoy. We've cleaned. It's still wet on top, so we're not going to be painting on top, just on the side. We're putting on a primer. Now the primer, we literally went to the shop and what's the nicest primer you guys have? I could have worded it like what's the most expensive primer that you have. It's just the better you prep the surface, the better the final top coat will be. So with paint we have a tendency of going expensive. It's in the long run helps. So it's a short-term loss, long-term gain. Anyway, let's paint. Finish painting the wall, the top layer bricks of the wall. I'm not really interested in this side. This side's going to be covered up anyway. So yeah, what I'm going to do is we're going to use all the rocks that's laying around here, that you guys can see, and we're going to fill it up. The idea with the rocks is so that the water can basically run down. We'll probably put a layer of swell over Neve, and yeah, that's it. So look, we're not too worried about water pushing through the bricks and the cement. Reason why it's a small retaining wall. It's half a meter. The water is just going to siphon down anyway. There's not going to be 3 cubic meters of water built up behind here. That's not going to happen. Plus there's a slope. So yeah, water's going to run away. So let me fill this while Jatim clears up the bricks. Let's get this done. We are cleaning the neighbor's property. The reason why we're doing it is during the build of the fence we really messed it up. I mean, we left a lot of dirt in, bricks and everything. So we're just neatening up. We're not prettifying. It's not our property. I'm not that nice. I think me taking the effort to clean their property should be sufficient. I don't know, what do you guys think? And yeah, well, let's see how we can make it look. Hey, show a little bit better. And that's it. Nice short technical video today. And check out Sexy Fence. Like always, guys, thanks for joining us. And yeah, remember, like, subscribe. Check you next week. Cheers. Bye-bye.